Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another lipstick tutorial using a normal lipstick and a lip liner pencil. If you are interested in how to create this lippy, keep on watching. Things first, I'm taking my Chanel lip balm and placing that all over my lips. It's very important to prep your lip before apply any lipstick, especially matte ones. Let's try to apply more amount of lip balm. Just go ahead and go in. I spend about a minute just going back and forth, doing this to my lips, getting all over the dry lips off. And once that's done, get some tissue and go ahead and wrap it. This video is just a few little tips and tricks, and I'm just giving you guys some helpful tips in my own way. I'm grabbing my lip pencil. Make it sure your lip liner is well sharpened because you want a very crispy line. So I start out by defining my cupid's bow. As you can see, I do this by creating X. Just go from one side at the very tip of the point of the cupid's bow and pull downwards, and then do this on the other side. Then I line the outer corners of my mouth by pulling upwards, and likewise to the other side. Now I'm go from the outer corner and I'm dragging that downwards, and also the other side, and add a line on the bottom of my lip. By the way guys, you can take some Vaseline if you have no lip balm. Vaseline will help prep for your lipstick. And using this method, you'll set a really definitive lines that you can trace, and it's much easier to applying your lipstick. And connect the top of my lips to the outer corner and repeat in the other side. These tips also allows you to create your own shape for your own lips. Maybe if you want to make them slightly more pouty or just change the shape in a small. Then I am going to go ahead and fill in the outer corner of my lips, and I'll do the same on the other side. So now that your lips are lined, we're going to go in with our lipstick, and I'm using Chanel. This one a true red, and I use a lip brush and I just to grab it on here. Now that everything is outlined, I just have to go in and fill in everything. And once again, this makes it super easy since I already outlined my lips. And make it sure you fill in any edges have been left. If you want mattifying any lipstick, just placing a tissue over your lips. And then I'm taking some loose powder. And if you don't have a translucent powder, you can switch off a Johnson baby powder. And I'm just going to blot that over the lid, and this way you can mattify. These tips will last a little bit longer. Get a translucent powder or anything you have, a Johnson baby powder, and press some powder into your lips, and it will give you a matte finish and help it last a lot longer. I'm going to take some concealer, and also I'm going to use a flat brush. You can use any brush that's precise, and I'm gonna use this concealer to clean up the edges. And with this brush, make it super light, then I blend it out with this brush. And using a concealer, it's just a gives that really nice sharp edge. Lip liner is meant to help you to create that lip shape, give it a little bit more crisp, help you to overline if you want to, and allows you to a nice sharp line. Applying concealer is also important because it's just going to clean up any mistakes that you might have made. As you apply the concealer, you want to kind of push your lips inward so that the way it kind of folds, and it makes it easier to see where you're applying the concealer. And I'm not going fast at all. I'm really taking my time and making sure that those lines are nice and crisp. And make it sure you wipe your brush off with a tissue so you don't drag any of the lipstick all over your face. And I'm taking this shimmery by Anastasia Glow Kit and applying that over my cupid's bow. And then I'm taking this bronzer by NYX and placing that right under my bottom lips. And this is really going to enhance the lip and give the illusion of a plumper and fuller lip. And that's it for now, and I really hope you enjoy this video. And I love you guys, and thank you again, and thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely weekdays, and I'll see you all very soon next week. Bye!